Hello all you awesome people, and welcome to this video in which I want to do a cleanup video of this little Nokia here. I already had one in my phone shelf, but the condition of this one, it's deplorable. And I bought this one from another collector. Well, this one I bought it from the flea market, from the ground. You know, they're all put down there to be sold, and this one is in better condition. So I'm going to clean this one since I don't have a new body shell, and even if I do find a new body shell, they are crazy expensive. Like, what the f? Not to mention that when I was young, I was looking at this phone, I was interested in it. Well, enough chit chat, let's begin. Nokia. Here's the little 6230. So there will be no need for me to talk in this video. So I'll just do it as it is and 8 talk towers. Nice! Yep, so let's begin. here's the phone. I'm going to clean it and be right back to assemble it. Also, this is, well, it was something stick here. You can use adhesive remover to take this out. I'm going to try now, and I hope I don't melt the plastic, but I don't think it will do it. So I'm gonna be right back after an hour or so, which for you will be like a second or so. is done. What are your thoughts about my speed assembly? Well, as fast as I could. It's done, only 8 torque towers. The body shell is the original one, I just cleaned it, that's all. And it's looking in pretty good condition, so this will go in the shelf. Yeah, boy. So, thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment, what are your thoughts about this phone? Personally, I wanted to buy this phone when I was young. After my 30-20 was stolen. Welcome to Romania. I was looking at this model, but I got another phone instead of this one. Yeah, either way, it's a pretty cool phone. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, found it useful in case you want to tear it apart yourselves. And it's not that hard, it's a very easy phone to disassemble and put back together. And I was assembling at normal speed. Took me 5 minutes and I don't remember how many seconds. With natural speed, nothing modified. Well, I am going to make a short video about assembling this, but it will be faster. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe, it helps me a lot, and thank you very, very, very much for that. You have a godlike level of awesomeness. Respect. Well, all the best, and I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye. The shelf with you.